Hello friends, today we see the next point in topic plant water relationship, and that is forces required to lift water to a long distance. I am Dr. Manjusha Shinde, Department of Botany, Balasaheb Desai College, Patan. It is clear that water is transported in plants to longer distance of few meters may need some force or energy. Several concepts are suggested to explain these forces to lift the water. All these theories are related to the physical factors involved in the water transport in plants. It has proved that lifting of water from the soil is combined or collaborative efforts of the underground roots and aerial plant parts. Many theories have been given to explain this mechanism. Some of the well accepted theories are vital theories and non-vital theories. Vital theories are again subdivided into pulsation theory and root pressure theory. Non-vital theory, they are subdivided into capillary theory, atmospheric pressure theory, and cohesion and transpiration pool theory. We see all these theories one by one. Vital theories. According to these theories, ascent of sap or water transport from roots to the aerial parts, that is lifting, takes place due to some metabolic activities taking place in living or cortex cells. There are two theories. One, that is first one is pulsation theory, and second one is the root pressure theory. Now when we see the pulsation theory was proposed by many ways by many scientists like Godlewski, J.C. Bose and Molish. So we see the opinions of these scientists one by one. So the first scientist is the Godlewski. Godlewski elaborates the upward movement of water due to pumping activity of the cells of wood parenchyma and medullary rings. In this process, the increase and decrease in osmotic pressure of these cells, the water is pumped into the vessel one upon the other. It is also called relay pump or clambering hypothesis. Second is the by J.C. Bose. According to Sir J.C. Bose, rhythmic pulsations are produced in deep cortex layers. These pulsations are responsible for pumping of water from cell to cell in upward direction. He had shown this process by using simple galvanometer oscillation. According to this experiment, an electrode penetrated in the same stem up to cortex zone shows some oscillations. These oscillation indicates some active process is taking place in the cortex, and this pulsation was called by J.C. Bose as heart beating of plants. The third scientist is Molish. He showed that movement of pulsation could be greatly increased by administration of heart stimulating drugs, and this is supported the view of J.C. Bose. Many workers have pointed out that there is no relationship between such pulsatory movement and the rate of water translocation. The next theory is root pressure theory. This theory was first proposed by Priestley in 1920, then Stephen Halley in 1927, and later on reframed by Stocking in 1956. According to this theory, lot of metabolic activities are taking place in the roots. The roots accumulate large amount of water. Due to this, the root develop some hydrostatic pressure called root pressure. This hydrostatic pressure is responsible to lift the water to some distance in upward direction in the stem. The existence of this pressure is shown with the help of exudation of sap and by the process of guttation. It is observed that this pressure is sufficient in lower plants but not enough in tall plants. Hence, this theory does not receive any support. The next one is the non-vital theories. According to these theories, living cells do not take part in the process of ascent of sap. Ascent of sap is purely a physical process and carried out by using physical force. There are two theories, capillary theory and atmospheric pressure theory. We see in detail the capillary theory. According to this theory, the lifting of water is compared with the rise of water in a capillary tube. In capillary action, water rises to some more height than the surrounding water level in capillary tube due to very small diameter. This rise is due to forces of gravity and surface tension. This rise is also due to cohesion and adhesion of water molecules and the glass wall. In this theory, narrow root cells with small diameters are compared with the capillary tubes. According to this view, water is first driven in the root cells from the soil due to adhesive force between water and the walls of thin xylem vessels and tracheids. As water flows in upward direction along with xylem cell wall, strong cohesive force between water molecule being to function and pull the water in upward direction. This upward pull of water continues until the forces of attraction, adhesion and cohesion are balanced by downward force of gravity. This theory has some limitation and fail to explain the water transport to a long distance. Next theory is water atmospheric pressure theory. In this theory, the plant is considered as barometer. Its lower end is in the soil water which is subjected to atmospheric pressure and the leaves which are present at the top do transpiration. This causes low pressure due to which the sap in the xylem rises in the upward direction due to atmospheric pressure. This theory has been rejected due to many reasons as the barometer needs free surface at the lower end which is not available in plants. Secondly, the atmospheric pressure is not same in all altitudes. Hence, this theory has not received wide support. Thank you.